garden friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Crystal and I do home, garden, and DIY videos, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely consider liking and subscribing. So today's video is going to be on planting up my front porch baskets that I have mounted to our railings. So I'm going to be planting these up for fall. I'm a little bit late on the game and I actually am doing this. I went to edit my video and I realized that the intro was completely quiet. I don't know what went wrong with my mic, but something went wrong and you couldn't hear me at all in the intro. Everything else in the video is fine except that. So I just wanted to refilm this for you guys, but if you see me in a different outfit and looking maybe just a little bit better than I do today, that's because today is editing day and I had to refilm this. So, but that all being said, I was able to get in quite a few really cool plants on the super affordable and super cheap. I think I ended up paying like $5 per planter, maybe not even that. It was super affordable because I got a big like multi-pack of mums. Definitely highly recommend doing that if you guys are having trouble like doing things affordably. I mean, gardening is super expensive. Definitely pick up a multi-pack of mums that you can use in a lot of different stuff because that is how I do it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'm gonna go ahead and get to the video now so you guys can watch me plant up my front porch planters. Okay guys, so I finally finished planting everything up and I'm super excited with how it looked. I kind of scrounged a little bit for a couple of things. I ended up digging the Dusty Miller up out of my garden. I had planted it like in ground and for whatever reason it didn't do super well. It didn't get super big. So I decided to just go ahead and dig them up and put them into my fall baskets for this year and see if they did any better in there. So let me know, have you guys had success with Dusty Miller in the ground? Because mine didn't do super well. So anyway, I went ahead and stuck them in here, and so this is what everything is looking like. Okay, so this is what the first one looks like. It's drooping a little bit because I just dug it up, but I just watered them in, so hopefully he will perk up in a minute. And then I have some sweet potato vines that I had stored up, so I put those on either side as well so they can kind of fluff out and give like a little green pop. And then I did purple here in the front porch because I felt like, I don't know, I felt like that went with the maroon. And when I do my fall decor for like the porch, I have some pumpkins and stuff like that that I want to put out here. I figured that the orange will come from that, so this will be a good complement with it. So I've got some purple mums right here, and that's what it looks like. And then this is what this one looks like on this side. So I planted him, and he obviously was leaning towards the sun this way, but hopefully he'll straighten back up. But then I also have another sweet potato vine here, and then of course the mum in the middle. So full effect looks like that. Let me get towards the middle. So that's what the full effect looks like. Okay, over here I did a bit different. I went ahead and used my yellow and orange mums because I got them in a little like variety pack. And then I also dug up a little bit of my creeping Jenny that I had in my front porch pot, and I stuck this here in the corner, and I love it. I didn't want to do that in the front porch ones because I knew that eventually I would run out of creeping Jenny and it wouldn't be in my pot anymore, and I still like the way it looks in my front porch pot. This one is a little Dusty Miller that got broken off by my dog, so hopefully he will perk up a little bit. I'm not sure exactly how well he'll do, but if not, then hopefully the mums will shine a little bit. But on this side I do have a huge Dusty Miller, the two mums, and then the creeping Jenny. So that's what it looks like from a distance. That's what that one looks like. So I am pretty happy with how that turned out. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and got a little inspiration for your own fall plantings, and definitely let me know if you guys included anything similar to mine or if you did something completely differently. Definitely let me know what you're planting up for fall because I would love to know. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!